In the kitchen, let's have some fun. Making a sandwich for everyone, but not just any, let's make it grand. With colorful veggies so fresh and bland. Grab some bread, soft and light, spread on the mayo just right. Lay down some lettuce, crisp and green, a bed for our veggies fit for a queen. Carrots and cucumbers, orange and green. Slice them up thin, like you've never seen. Tomatoes red and juicy and round, stack them up high, make them proud. Add some peppers, yellow and red, for a spicy kick, that's what's said. Sprinkle on some salt and pepper to make our sandwich even better. Now close it up with another slice of bread. Press it down gently like you're being fed. Our veggie sandwich is ready to go, a healthy treat for all to know. With each bite a burst of flavor so fine, our veggie sandwich is truly divine.